Assalamualaikum. I am Mostasim Billah from Bogura, currently residing at Yunus Khan Scholar Garden 2 in Daffodil Smart City in Sabar, Dhaka. I am pursuing a bachelor degree in software engineering at Daffodil International University, where I am continuously building on my technical and creative skill set. I have completed my secondary school certificate degree with GPA 4.89 from Sihali High School, Shibganj, and my higher secondary certificate degree with GPA 5.0 from Police Lines School and College, Bogura. This experience laid a strong foundation for my journey in software engineering and beyond. In my school and college life, I have participated in many extracurricular activities like Science Olympiad, Bangla Olympiad, etc. Now I have hands-on experience in programming languages like C, Java, Python and SQL. One of my most notable projects is called Smart Binbot, a fully automated dustbin that integrates robotics to solve everyday problems. Apart from programming, I have skill in Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator and Canva, and I have worked on various design projects. I am also an enthusiast in cybersecurity field. In my university life, I have participated in many workshops, seminars, club cultural activities such as orientation program and engineering summit. I am an active member of Software Engineering Club. I am committed to lifelong learning and recently completed some courses, employability skill and leadership qualities, boss versus leader. I have also participated in several programming contests, continuously refining my skill. Currently, I am working with an organization as an associate member called Youth for Better Future Society. I am a fast learner, always eager to adapt and grow with new challenges. I am excited to bring my skill and passion to new opportunities where I can make a meaningful impact in the world. Thank you for watching and I look forward to connecting with you soon.